Come see me. Come on.
Oh!
That's not the way you're supposed to run. Not in the street. Other way. This way. Don't go in the street. Come on, let's go in the yard. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's run. Come on, let's go. That's it, careful. Just sit down and read so you can do that. Yeah. Rocks. Rocks? You like rocks? You burped. You like rocks? Leaf. That's a leaf. A leaf. A leaf. You want a leaf? No? Okay, sit down there. Big stick? You want a twig? No? Okay, sit down there. Oh, what? You want that? Okay, what are you going to do with it? What? That's right. Dig in the rocks with a stick. That's about perfect.